that nature is a Heraclitean fire, and the comfort of the resurrection, by Gerald Manley Hopkins. Cloud-puffball, torn tufts, tossed pillows flaunt forth, then chevy on an air-built thoroughfare. Heaven-roysterers, in gay gangs they throng, they glitter in marches. Down roughcast, down dazzling whitewash, wherever an L marches, Shivelights and shadowtackle in long lashes, lace, lance and pear. Delightfully the bright wind boisterous ropes, wrestles, beats earth bare of yestertempest's creases. In pool and rut peel parches, squandering ooze to squeeze the dough, crust, dust. Stanches, starches, Squadroned masks and manmarks, treadmire toil there, footfretted in it. Million-fuelèd, nature's bonfire burns on, but quench her bonniest dearest to her clearest-selvèd spark, man. How fast his fire dint, his mark on mind is gone. Both are in an unfathomable, all is an enormous dark drowned. O pity and indignation! Man-shape that shone sheer off, the several, a star, death blots black out, nor mark is any of him at all so stark, but vastness blurs and time beats level. Enough, the resurrection, a heart's clarion, away grief's gasping joyless day's dejection. Across my foundering deck shone a beacon, an eternal beam. Flesh fade and mortal trash fall to the residuary worm. World's wildfire, leave but ash. In a flash, at a trumpet crash, I am all at once what Christ is, since he was what I am, and this jack, joke, poor potsherd, patch, matchwood, immortal diamond, is immortal diamond.